girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Original, Mr. Fanfui, see a portrait, now you're free, now brothers agree, and then more than Ghana, Jana crying you're free, and so yes, I can't see or be free, I will say, and just to do a manager, and yes, I'm worried, send me a sack, yours, come up with the camera free, now I'm for you, okay, for me, who tell me,
the mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Na unye na minye, kema miye, iri mu nyina ye. aba ene me da fu tu kwan ye kwan kran me kwan ba ko kwan no nya ye me ye bia na wo pene me was ha wo ba ku fu am do ba no apa mo me de ka hwia me na mo ba yi sini yam e mu chese no nya de obeto aso me nyina ho me nkwa lo best na me mpaake me no obetanti am do ba no atire sie nya ba bi fam wa ye be da na ho me de kata sense me so ba yi wana so no kana kuma ntuni yam wo hwa wiem ensuru magu wiem enfra ma papa wo ma bi fa ma tuam ya kan kran kwam ta ya do na unye na mi pima mi iri mu nyina yetu bibi fasaya mi iri mu nyina yetu odo ye we fasaya mi unye nyina yetu obi eni ho fasaya mi mi na unye na mi pima mi iri mu nyina yetu.
The Mid-Morning Show, have a blessed day.
Girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
Right, you always 93.5 gentleman. Call me Bruce Money. That's right, so 24 minutes into the hour, and it's tuned into the best mid-morning here on 93.3 of FM. Show produced by Akosia de Padumas, Ohinewa, Mr. Charles, Nanatupa here the first. So in the meantime, if you speak break me boy to me, I was a day. Fra la one. Never show. About Facebook and I'm why friend. At Tadia Chef the kind can see Mr. Obing. Mr. Obin. That's right. Atopahin be yi weni frase ono mu matade ne ye. Be yi cover na cost ni adwuma na de go ho. Be yi free ho kra. Me de dey agree ni. Obi adim say from cost. Be yi free na mo hwe ma ho ofe ni ade a. Miti na efu batanya hwe. Atade na wansam ne ye kan. Mr. Obin, Mr.